And Allah Almighty says, "It is not the right of any man that Allah may give him the book and command and prophethood. Then he should say to people, Be my bondmen, leaving Allah. Yes, he will say this, Be men of Allah, because you teach the book and because you study it." Surah Al Imran, verse 79. Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a letter to Qaisar and invited him to Islam, and sent that letter by means of Hazrat Diha Kalabi, and ordained him to hand over that letter to the ruler of Bahrain, so that he may convey it to Qaisar, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu blessed Qaisar with a victory over the Persian troops. He had gone to Ilya from Hims to express thanks to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. When Qaisar got the letter of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he, after reading it, said, "Search and bring anyone of his people, so that I may inquire of him about Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2940.